Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying two essentials: app version and network. Update TikTok if it's out of date, because search bugs are often fixed in updates. Once done, switch networks, move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or toggle airplane mode to renew connections, which clears transient DNS issues. Then clear TikTok's cache from settings. This removes stale search indexes and temporary data. Make sure to restart the app after clearing cache, so the client rebuilds local data before you proceed. If basics didn't fix it, escalate methodically. Force stop, then reopen TikTok, and log out then back in to refresh server-side user state. Next, check app permissions. Sometimes denied permissions block search features. Revoke and restore microphone, storage, and network permissions to reset flags. Then test the search on a different TikTok account or another device to isolate whether the issue is account-specific or device-specific. If search works elsewhere, you know the problem is tied to your account or device settings. Now apply final remediations. Uninstall and reinstall TikTok, then reboot your device so the OS clears any lingering resource conflicts. If the problem persists, use in-app support to report the issue. Include device model, OS version, app version, and a brief description of reproduction steps so engineers can triage. Make sure to attach logs or screenshots. If everything fails, one key troubleshooting tip: save diagnostic logs and screenshots before clearing app data so you can supply evidence when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.